Good people, hapa hivi ni David kutoka Best Cars for Sale in Kenya Limited, the one and only supporter of the blues. If you're out there and you're looking forward to import a car, there's so many ways of importing a car, but the best one that I found working is importing your car with Best Cars for Sale in Kenya Limited. Why? Because we handle the entire process on your behalf. Unacheki, wewe unatuambia gari yenye unadai, unatupatia specifications, preference, alafu sisi tuna customize your specifications and preference, tuna customize, unapata exactly what you're looking for, and we are so patient with you. We want to walk you this journey. We want to make you feel comfortable while shopping for exactly what you're looking for. So at Best Cars for Sale in Kenya, that is one thing you'd find when you come work with us. Anybody, ukitaka kucall Glado, hapo hivyo ukitaka kuongea na Pauline, Simon, David, James, we are so accommodative, and that is the only reason why, because we want to make sure that you get what you're looking for. The other thing is, sisi tunanunua gari direct from the auction. The auction market in Japan is one of the safest place you can purchase your unit. For instance, maybe I'm looking for, like right now I'm inside the Toyota Prado. This is a 2017 model. We imported for our boss. Yes, alijibaiya. Anyway, but we imported for him. So, igari, this car was a grade 4.5 unit. The interior is amazing. Everything about this particular car was excellent. Igari saizi amemaliza nayo 2.5 years. No troubles, no check engine. You don't want trouble, you don't want stories with mechanics. Hautaki ati sijui umeenda wapi, gari imekwama, you're driving a German machine, you're driving a hybrid. You don't want cases, you don't want issues. Shopping with Best Cars would be the best choice when coming to import. Anyway, I was talking about the auction market. So ukinunua gari kwa auction, kuna hiyo aspect, tunakuletea gari yenye haitakusumbua, gari itakuserve for a long time without issues. So that is another thing. The other thing is una get very low mileage, and this low mileage, they are genuine. Tutakupatia link ya QSJ. In fact, you can even check it kwa QSJ yako, una key in your chassis number, then you're able to find out the original mileage of that particular car, because one, we will make sure that your car undergoes QSJ inspection while the unit is still in Japan. Na pale hivyo utaona the date the inspection was done and the date the inspection was issued. So that is another advantage of importing a car with Best Cars. The other reason is, ukiimport na sisi, you are able to save up to 20%, and for big cars like a Prado, you are almost saving around 30%. Call me na nitakuonyesha why you're able to save even up to 30% when buying a Toyota Prado, and you get yourself a grade 4.5 unit. Anyways, you get genuine cars, you get genuine odometer reading. That is what you get at Best Cars for Sale in Kenya Limited. And sisi tuna handle the entire process. Wewe hakuna mahali unashughulika, sisi tuna handle kila kitu, tuna ensure that ile gari yenye unataka tunakusosia no matter what time itachukua. Wewe unaweza tuambia hii sijapenda hiyo, sijapenda hii, nimependa hii. We normally proceed with the exact car you're looking for. So you can come to Best Cars for Sale in Kenya Limited, and we'll help you source exactly what you're looking for. And one thing about our process, haikuwagi a very long process, because tukishapata ile gari, unajua hii time ya kusource tunaweza tumia maybe a week and a half, 2 weeks maximum. Tumepata gari yako, that point gari itachukua just 28 to 55 days, and your car will be in Kenya now, fully cleared, registered and delivered to you. So come to Ruiru. We're in Greek Towers, 3rd floor, 6th floor, and we're ready to serve you, ready to help you, and ready to work with you through the importation journey. Call the numbers on the screen, request to talk to me, you can request to talk to Pauline, you can request to talk with Gladys, Simon. Sisi tuko wengi, unaweza ongea pale hivyo na Stella, there's Alice. Yani mazee, welcome to Best Cars. Sisi tutakusort na tuko ready to ensure that you get exactly what you're looking for down to the last specification. Big up, and you're the best in the world.